Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain service level agreement and why it is important in a cloud computing. Let us start with a quick overview. First, we will discuss introduction of SLA, key elements, importance, types of SLA, SLA metrics, violations and the remedies. Now, what is service level agreement? A service level agreement is a formal contract between a service provider and a customer that sets clear expectation on service performance and accountability. What type of service deliver, the performance metrics like uptime and response time, remedies and penalties in case of failure to meet the agreed standards. Now, why it is an important? SLA are critical in a cloud computing because they are define the relationship between the customer and the provider. They protect the customer from subpar services and ensure the reliability and the accountability. Now, what the purpose of SLA? SLA serve a key function in a cloud computing. First, service expectations. SLA set clear performance metrics that customer can expect from the service provider such as uptime and a response time. Second, ensure reliability and the accountability. SLA holds both the service provider and the customer accountable for their roles. If something goes wrong, there is a system in place to fix it. Third, manage risk and the remedies. SLA often includes remedies such as service credits, refunds if the provider fails to meet the terms. The remedies risk for the customer and ensure the level of protections. For security compliances and the standards, SLA help ensure what the cloud provider meets the security requirements of the customer. This includes the compliances, data protections and the privacy. Now we will discuss the key elements of a SLA. SLA are built around server critical components. These elements clearly outline what the customer can expect and what happens if those expectations are not met. First, service scope. They define what services are included in the agreement like cloud storage, virtual machine. Second, performance metrics describe measurable service targets like uptime, response times, and the resource availability. Responsibility, they specify the duties of both the cloud provider and the customers. The cloud provider agrees to maintain the service as specified, while the customer agrees to follow the proper usage of a protocols. Fourth, penalties and remedies. If the provider fails to meet the SLA terms, service credits, penalties, or compensation may be offered. Fourth, support services. Outline how customer support will be provided, including support availability and the response time, and how to initiate the unresolved issues. Now we will discuss the importance of SLA in the cloud computing. First, reliability. They ensure the critical services like data access and the processing are always available. Second, performance guarantees. They define the service levels like network latency, load balancing, and the system throughput. Third, transparency. Both the customer and the providers have a clear expectations and the preventing misunderstanding. Fourth, security. SLA often includes commitments around data protections and the compliances with the regulations. Accountability. SLA specify who is responsible for service interruptions or failures.